Welcome to our first podcast. Today, we are diving into the fascinating world of noise and vibration and the critical role across various industries. To start off, we have Mr. Krishna, founder NV Dynamics.
Hello.
So, Mr. Krishna, could you please provide us an overview of noise and vibration and why it's such an important consideration in sectors like manufacturing, automobile, and even constructions, right? So, and could you also tell us how NV Dynamics plays a key role in such fields?
Okay, so noise vibration per se is required, or it's an engineering requirement in every field. That it started with automotive from the Western world, but it's becoming more and more relevant in every sector, whether you call it as manufacturing or product or design services. It's everywhere relevant, both from the performance perspective and also from the product's quality impression. So this is finding its way everywhere in every product, and that's where companies like NV Dynamics are there in the scene, helping the teams to work on the noise and vibration design criteria upfront.
So, what are the main challenges that industries face when dealing with noise and vibration?
In my opinion, the biggest challenge is not being aware of the requirement of noise and vibration. So that we can put it on our curriculum, academia, and the way the engineering or whatever the education comes up from, and then to make noise vibration as an integral part of design. And that understanding is a kind of holistic process that the teams have to adapt. Again, I said it could be automotive or it could be a mixer grinder at home. So the basic challenge is of the need or to understand why noise and vibration is one of the very key design criteria, and then how to implement it.
How do noise and vibration actually affect the longevity or safety in- and the other products in the industries?
Okay, so there is no direct correlation to if there is a product that makes a big noise. Let us say it may or may not say that this is going to fail faster, but it has been proven by a lot of iterative statistics that if a product has lower vibration, invariably the noise generated by it is also low, which is a part of the physics, which you say force generates vibration, vibration generates noise. So obviously now if I'm talking of vibration, which is one of the key criteria of how smooth a product should be, whether it's rotating, oscillating, moving, whatever that is. So given that if vibration is high, given that that results in higher noise, will also result in the life cycle of the product. So higher vibration obviously means that it will have lower life. So to improve upon all that, you need to work backwards to create a better product upfront.
Could you please tell us about NV Dynamics, how it tackles such situations?
Yeah, we have slowly built a ecosystem which helps this. We have understood this market for, as we are doing this interview, I'm happy to say we are 20 years into this business now. What started as a very baby steps, putting together instruments, what is required, what kind of industries requires this. We have slowly understood various sectors, various verticals, various industry needs of what specifically that they want. Maybe some people need training, and some people need hand holding, some people need lab setup, and a lot of them require a direct consulting to solve a problem. So slowly, organically, we have understood what is the real requirement. We have put together slowly maybe 2 channels, 4 channels of data acquisition, sensors, and all the supplementing accessories that are required. I'm not even discounting even a last cable of the quality of it matters. Slowly, we have grown all the good software, resources, hardware, software, and then more important are the kind of people who work on it. The engineering graduates or whoever work in the team needs to be trained to that level that they will cater to all this. So that is how we are becoming ready, or we are ready. We are becoming ready by the instance.
What were the key milestones and strategies that helped NV Dynamics grow into an influential company that it is right now?
I'm happy to learn this, but this is the customer's credit. So I completely owe this to the customer, because each of the challenge given to us has been understood. It's not just that we are only the vibration or noise experts, but of understanding the equipment, why and how it behaves in a bad way, good way, is the opportunity given by customer. We work from a salt manufacturing company to a crane manufacturing company. So, given this wide profile, we have gone ahead helping, assessing, and that's where we stand as of today.
What are some of the notable projects or examples that highlight NV Dynamics expertise?
Yeah, now, yeah, I said we are 20 years now. So each 5 year is a kind of milestone or a kind of good uh, pin drop points that we have grown from, let's say, just vibration measurements. We have gone ahead doing automotive, we have gone ahead doing metros, we are now into shipping. So just giving one example of late, very latest of the project, we have worked on one of the large cranes in Tata Steel, which they wanted to know the fatigue life or the remaining life of the crane, which is a super challenge that you don't find drawings, you don't find any technical details, but you need to conduct a vast or a very exhaustive testing analysis to arrive at what could be the remaining life of the crane. So this is where I can highlight this.
What are NV Dynamics' current position in the market?
I don't know, I
Mm.
can't say, but in the private sector, I believe we are one of the leading brands. We have made our niche mark, both in India and some parts of East Asia, some parts of African countries. So I guess we have a good name. And this is definitely the contribution of our team and their knowledge and how we apply to each case.
Looking ahead, what are NV Dynamics' expansion plans?
Obviously to become big and to become a single point kind of resource, single point solution kind of point for anything that is in noise and vibration and related dynamics.
Thank you, Mr. Krishna. So, look, we'll get into the next episode shortly.
Thank
Thank
you
you.
very much, Deepak.